In Musth, you can smell that strong smell. Musth, very dangerous time to approach elephants. That's why we're approaching him. Full of musth. Just smell him on his tracks. You can see his urine dribble. So we're just going to go very slowly here. See the back legs there, so he's been in the water, so let's have to check it out. Swagger. Let's go ahead and what we're going to do. Yeah, cut him. There's our elephant, guys. Going to get a little head start in it. Yeah. Okay. There we go, guys. So obviously had a lovely swim in that dam. I don't see a lot of sweat coming off these. Oh, this is a fair amount, huh? Yeah. Now what happens with the musth is that they secrete a lot of sweat out of the temporal region, which that guy's just rubbing up against the tree now. Oh, ear scratch. Look at the dust coming off there, guys. Cool. He's full of nonsense, huh?
He's cute.
Yeah. Let's just move in a little bit. There it goes. Cool. You see, it's just been up to his shoulders in it. Wow, God, isn't it incredible how fast this guy actually moves?
Maybe there's not moving like that.
Yeah, possibly, yeah. That's enough to motivate him. Okay. I'm going to stick to my original plan and we should have him in a couple of seconds again. Nah. Guys, what we're going to do while we get into position, we're going to quickly go to Musth Dam, and we'll be with you guys in a couple of seconds. What we're going to do is we're just going to stand here, just film it a little bit. When he comes closer to us, we're going to have to get out of his way, or else he's going to move us out of his way. It's quite a cool dude, this, huh? We're going to move quickly. Just get out of his way. Yeah? Thank goodness this thing's starting now. Oh, he's just telling us get out of the way. He's cool, huh? That was cool. Okay, guys. Excellent. We're gonna let him be on his way now. Push it. Let him go and enjoy himself. We're gonna go back to that giraffe at Musth Dam.